Hello guys! In today's video, we're showing you how to loop a video in CapCut. But first, if you want to master your favorite tech platforms, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. To start, open your CapCut app and then select a video. To loop a video in CapCut, what you're going to do is to go to the end of the video. And then a few seconds before the end, just tap on split. So now you have a short clip of the end of the video. Next, tap on that short clip and then tap on copy. You now have 2 copies of the short clip. So now what we're going to do is to drag that short clip at the beginning of the video. Now just play the video and see the loop. And that's it! If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.